What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. Sunday morning. I'm guessing around 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to try to maintain my composure. I'd like to know which one of you fuckfaces the pregnancy test results are in, ladies and gentlemen. And it's a fact that Pipe Doctor is pregnant with a girl. You motherfuckers got me pregnant, I swear. And it's not just that. Apparently, there's a support group for those with a micro penis. You see that? There's a micro penis support group meeting. Okay, folks. Maybe it was that fuckface in Massachusetts. Maybe it was. Motherfuckers, man. Motherfuckers. Well, I got news for you, cocksuckers. Two can play at this game, Mr. Sunshine. Let me go find my pen. Where is the marker? We need to give love to someone. Oh, it's right there. Joe in Tampa, Florida. Thank you so much for sending me $42.50. I got your check yesterday in the mail. You're getting poster number 39 of 150. I'm going to autograph it right now. There it is, bro. Number 39 of 150 going to Joe in Tampa, Florida. Thank you so fucking much. I really appreciate it. If you want your own Mikey Pipes version 2.0 poster, just like that one right there. Right there. If you ain't testing, you're guessing. Details in the description box down below. You can only buy it from me, remember. I got a new toy in the mail yesterday. And let's just say that I'm a little disappointed. Just keeping it real. Oh, what the hell is this? Oh, come on, really? Get on there. What the hell? Do I really need an Allen key to get the Mandrel on? No, it can't be. Hell no. Do I really need an Allen key to put the Mandrel on the tool? This is bullshit. Well, apparently you need a fucking Allen key. This is really dumb. I need an Allen key to put the Mandrel on the tool. Oh, come on, really? No. I had it upside down. There's some lines there. Just like that, really? No. This doesn't make any sense, folks. Let's back this out a little bit. Okay, let's try another one. And that went on there like easy peasy. Let's see if I can give us a little extra on it right there, maybe. Let's see how that is. Nope, doesn't like that. What is the purpose of this little set screw? Okay, so there it is. We're gonna bend some 3/4 right now. I'm gonna set it for 3/4. I'm gonna put the battery in there. Okay? And let's just see how this works. I'm already not liking this already. I am already not liking this already. Okay, I have to reverse it a little bit. Let's put the pipe in there. Let's bend. Okay, so that says that's a 45, kind of. No, what? That's it, don't go any further. And apparently it's got a little tool to take the pipe out. Oh, that's pretty cool. So what I really like about this, look at that. There's no, the little kink marks in there that you get with a regular ratcheting bender. There's none of that. Excuse me. Is it really a 90? I don't know if it's really a 90 or not, but let's try another one. All right. The question becomes, let's say I need 12 inches center to center. Let's try this. Hold on. I know it's a Sunday morning. There's other things you'd rather me see than bent pipe. Let me get a tape measure. And 12 inches center to center. All right, I made a mark. That's 12 inches from that center to this center. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but we're going to try. I'm going to put that right in the middle. I don't think it's going to make a difference. All right. There's no way. There's no way it's going to be 12 inches. Let's see. Here we go, folks. No, it's 13 inches. Interesting. So that's 13 inches. Not what I wanted, but it's like now I have a walking stick. My old ass. So there are no lines or instructions that come with this whatsoever. None. But I just made 12 inches, a measurement 12 inches from there to there. And it made it 13 and a half. Let's measure that again. Hold on. No, it's about 13 inches. See? Center to center. Almost 13 inches. So, let's try this again. Let's try this again. I'm curious to see how this is going to work. Okay, let's make another bend. There we go. These markings don't mean nothing to me, by the way. They really don't. There's 12. There's 12. There's my 90-degree bend with 0 kinks in it, right? So we wanted a 12-inch center to center. That's what I really want. I'm going to mark 12 inches. And I'm going to take away an inch. I'm going to put my my bender on there. So that's my 12-inch mark. And I took away an inch because the test run that I just did, that's what it did. So let's put that. I'm going to put that mark minus an inch. Oh, come on. Right there in the center. See that? Let's make sure that's right where it should be. Boom. Let's see if that's right now. Okay, back it out. Now, let's see what we have here. Center to center. 12 inches. So I had to deduct an inch for this. So 12 inches, right? Center to center. I deducted 1 inch for 3/4 inch ACR. Interesting. Now, they say this bends 7/8. Let's see if this bends 7/8. My 7/8 is up there. I don't feel like getting it, but interesting. So I deducted 1 inch for, goes right there, yeah. I deducted 1 inch, I can unscrew this, for 3/4 inch copper, doing a bend end to end. Battery goes there. This goes in there like that. This thing. You know, it's interesting. They also make a reverse. Yeah, there it goes. Let's go like that. Yeah. They also make this reversing kit for this bender. And it fits conveniently in this case right here. Let me show you. See? And there's the other piece. I'll be making videos on this, especially since I went online last night looking for videos on this. I don't really need this, but let's put it in there. And you can't find anything. They have a video with value testers, you know, showing this thing, but they don't show you how to use it, how to measure for bend. So I'm going to figure this out, and I'm going to post some videos on the Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor YouTube channel. Not a sponsor of the channel. Navik. All good. All good.